Pau-pau. Kasi tama ka ng pau-pau. Pau-pau. Oo, tama na.
Hello po, magandang hapon po. Annyeonghaseyo, 반갑습니다.
Ano?
My name is John Dave, but you can call me Dave. I'm a song leader in Emmanuel Church.
안녕하세요. My name is Wesley Kevin Joseph Lagata, and you can call me Wes.
Hello everyone, glad to be here. Welcome to the Philippines. My name is Eugene Aguera. You can call me Eugene. I'm the Bombay Ninja here in Manila.
미디어 마련하겠습니다. 조정하겠습니다.
Annyeonghaseyo, good afternoon. Welcome to the Philippines. I am Miss Rosalie De La Rhea, call me Allen, and I am one of the teachers from Sunday School.
쥐랑기 선생님입니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 라비입니다. 안녕. My name is Marisol, but you can call me Marisol, and I am song leader in this church.
찬양하겠습니다.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Philippines. I am the captain of the music ministry.
찬양팀의 담당 맡겠습니다.
I am the captain of the music ministry, and my name is John Irwin. You can just call me John, so it will be easier for all of you.
존이라고 불러주시면 됩니다.
Hello po, good afternoon. I am Katrina Nicole Bata. You can call me Nicole. I am the pianist of this church.
찬양 피아노를 맡겠습니다.
안녕하세요, Sherwin입니다.
셔윈입니다.
저는 Sherwin입니다, and I'm the drummer.
드럼을 맡고 있습니다.
Hello po, welcome to Honoring Church. My name is Marjorie Abihad. You may call me Majo, and I am one of the Sunday school teacher here, and also